Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. Let's have a look at what items we have to share today. And it's quite a nice surprise these, because while I order them, I never know which one I'm going to open. Looks like we have a lot of white on this one. Oh, we do, but look at that. Sometimes you've just got to have a Disney princess in your life, and you also, in effect, need to know whether it's going to look good or not. And this is already looking good, in my opinion. I think you can clearly see what it is. We do have DMC numbers, which is awesome. We have 18 colours, and how beautiful is that? I say there is quite a bit of white on the top part, but sometimes that's just what gives you the impact. Okay, what size are we? If I can find the end of my tape measure. So the actual diamond painting area is just under 25 centimetres by 35 centimetres, so a nice size. And I think that image is really, really clear. I'm happy with that. We get a basic toolkit, wax bought pen, and then we do get a lot of white diamonds, which would be expected. And in this instance, the white is 5200. So it's quite a very nice, vivid, bright white, and we get 3 packs of that. But then, look at those pinks. We get some gorgeous pinks and, of course, purples for the top. Do we get anything dark? Oh, we do get a little bit of 310, which you'd sort of expect around this centre part. But we get quite a few different shades of pink and purple. Some of them we only get a few, but that can actually help with the impact, in my opinion. If you get quite a few different shades of a colour, it helps it to just pop and look better. So I'm really happy with that one. And I think that would look absolutely gorgeous framed on the wall. In fact, my daughter would have that on her bedroom wall, no doubt. And she's 24. Okay, what is next? I will pop links down to all of these down below, because I can't remember the prices off the top of my head, but they are not too expensive at all. Not for the pricing anyway. Oh, this one. So this one, it just screamed to me, teenager's bedroom, fun to do. Just, there are so many diamond painting pictures that I could see on so many different walls in people's houses, and they would just have such a dramatic impact. But oh, that's nice. So we have 22 colours in this one, and we do have DMC numbers. Even the background is actually made up of 2 different symbols, but the symbols are all nice and clear. We have some symbol, it's a mixture of symbols and letters on this one, but they are all clear as day, which is really, really nice. Oh, this is 939 round here, so it's not actually a 310. In fact, we don't have 310 in this painting. Even better. It is just short of 25 centimetres by 35 centimetres in size. So very similar to the last one. We get a standard toolkit, boat wax pen, and then oh, that's a nice blue. We've got some nice colours in this one. So we have some smaller ones of purples, a little bit of peach and some darker brown. But then, look at that blue. That's the background. So we have some peachy orange, gorgeous blue, some greens, that 939. So we do have 2 packs of those, but that is all in the hair. Some gorgeous browns and mustard yellows. And then we've got some brighter yellow and orange. Lovely muted greens mixed in with purples that are all in the t-shirt. Oh, very nice. I like that one. I could diamond paint for my whole life and just kit up everybody's houses, I think. I just keep seeing images that I'm just like, oh yes. I can see that here and I can see that there. So that is painting number 2. Beautiful. Love it. Where did I put painting number 1? Over there. So I can find them again when we're done. And let's have a look at number 3. So last one for today is this was the sort of visions of a children's classroom coming out for me again. I know I keep saying that. As soon as my daughter gets her own classroom, I think I'm just going to give her a load of diamond paintings to decorate the whole thing in. And I've just pulled that back and it's popped straight back up. This canvas is really thick. I think that's why it's holding its shape a little bit more. It is a lot thicker, this canvas. It's just taken a little bit more to flatten down. We do have what looks like some ink splodges that may have come from a printer, but they are around the edge, so that doesn't matter. We do have a lot of black in the background. It is a symbol M, and it is on white, so it's easy to see, but then we do have a few other mixed in with it just to break up the monotony. Looks like raindrops. And then we have some gorgeous vivid colours. There's a nice difference between them, even though they're very lightly shaded between the two. It does look as though the symbols are different enough that you're not struggling. They do use white symbols on black as well as black on white. And they also have DMC numbers, so we're on a winner today. We have 22 colours in this one. Standard toolkit, boat wax pen. And the DMC numbers are not on these packets, but they are on the canvas. So as long as we have them, that's fine. So let's have a look. So we do have 4 packs of black, which we'd expect. But then look at these vivid colours. How funky are these? So we've got a lot of different ones. You do find that in each part of the umbrella there is 2 to 3 different shades of a colour to give a nice pop, but they're close enough. So see those 2 green? Very similar. And then we have some more here in the pinks, greens, etc. So definitely enough, you know, closeness that it is shading, but not boring because there is a variety. So very happy with that one. That one, say 30 by 40, true canvas size of 25 by 35. So what we've come to expect. I will pop the links to all of these down below in case you want to grab yourself one, but I'm very happy with the way all of those 30 by 40s have turned out. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.